Dear students, this video was used due to how to use Google Classroom app and how to submit the assignments, whatever it may be. Right? First, open the Gmail app in your phone. Here, that is Gmail, second one. So click on Gmail. Next here, add another account. In that, select Google. Next, if you have if your phone is secured with your password, enter the password, whatever it may be, and confirm. Then enter your email ID, whatever it may be. Enter your domain Gmail ID here, that is B2000019. This one is example. @rgukt.ac.in, and click on next. Next, enter your password here, right? So the college administration was provided you to the password is your SSC hall ticket number. If you have changed your hall ticket number, enter it, whatever it may be, enter here, and then click on next. And then click I agree button. Finally, once your login was completed, check it here, click on this photo here, right? Varanasi Shivaji, click on that one. So Google Classroom app is Gmail is successfully logged. Next, click on back. Once your login was completed, open Play Store app. In that, enter Google Classroom. Google Classroom, that is here, first one. So the icon was like this. Next, install it. So it will take some time based on your connectivity. Here, installing is there. So if the installation was completed successfully, click on open button here, last, open, get started, and log in with your domain ID, that is B2000019@rgukt.ac.in. So click on here. Next, click on OK. So finally, Google Classroom app was also installed, and it will look like this one, all your classes and your teacher names, right? Then click on home button, and you have to install one more app, that is to scan the documents. So that is not available in Play Store. You can install it by using Chrome, this one, Chrome, or in your phone Google is there. So first one, Google. So open it, enter here Cam Scanner, CAMSCANNER, Cam Scanner. Click on first link. Then so it was not work. Google Play Store, it was also not work. Scroll down. Here, download Cam Scanner APK for Android free latest version. So the link is camscanner.en.softonic.com. So you can verify it. So click on here. Next, you can click on free APK download. Don't click on install from Google Play. If you click on install from Google Play, it will look like this. it will looks. So click on download CamScanner APK for Android. Next click on free APK download. So the download is in progress. If the download does not starts automatically, click here, right? So you can verify it whether it is downloading or not. So click on three dots. See, this type of file can harm your device, so there is no problem here. So click on OK. So the download was started. Click on downloading file, last downloading file details. You can click on details. See, downloading is in progress, right? Here download is in progress. If your download was completed, then click on that CamScanner PDF creator, right? So see here, my downloading was completed successfully. So click on it. Next install. So installing this one, this will take time based on your device. Next click on open, then you can scroll it right side like this, then continue. Cancel anytime, click on cancel anytime, or click on this one, a top edge, that is a cross mark. So sign in or register, you can click on sign in or register. Enter your email or mobile number. So enter your domain mail ID here. If you use your personal mail ID, the data will give only 200 MB. If you use your college mail ID, it will give 1 GB plus 1.2 GB, 1 GB and 200 MB more extra. So that is b20019@rgukt.ac.in. Click on next. Password at least 6 characters you can give. Then click on send activation mail. So you can re-enter your password. Then click on activation email, send activation email. If you could not find the activation email in the inbox or spam folder, please tap to resend. If you didn't get the activation link, then you can click on resend button. So open your mail first. Here B20019. So one mail is got from CamScanner. Click on it. So your password is 375667. So use whatever it may be, 375667, 375667. So it will take to you the page automatically. Then so once login was completed, it's look like this one, right? So here space is 1.2 GB. Clear? Next click on start scanning. Here last one, while using the app, click on while using the app. Next close this one. Here you can click on docs, that is documents. So if you scroll like this, you get to that one. So you can put it on DOCS, documents. Then you can place the document whatever it may be you are recording like this, and click on this snapshot button. Next you can rotate it by using left or right. So left I am rotating it, and you can crop it how the page is you required. like this, then click on next button. So it will look like this. So don't use magic color, use lighten here, click on lighten button, right? Then click on OK, or you can increase or decrease the lighting size. So 50 is enough, 50 is enough. Then click on right button, again right button. So your first page was completed, right? If you go back, so this one is a one document. Like this you can create another document by using this button, right? By using this you can scan one more document, that is like this, whatever it may be. You can rotate it and crop it. OK, next button, next click on OK. Once you have selected lighten means automatically it will be selected for all the documents. Then click on right, next back. So here two documents were completed. So if you add some more pages in respective documents means you can open or click on that one. Next select this one, final last camera button. Next you can scan one more document. Rotate left or right, click on next. So this was the second page in your document, right? Like this, how many pages are there in your respective assignment? You can scan all the documents, all the pages. Then click on three dots, that is the top right, click on three dots, rename, and you can name the document by as your requirement, right? So I am giving it as matrices assignment 1, matrices assignment 1, click on OK. Next click on PDF here, that is top right, click on PDF. PDF is there, right? Beside of matrices assignment title, beside of matrices assignment 1. So click on PDF, I got it. Next click on share button. Next save this document to local, that is here WhatsApp, Gmail, send it to PC, and save to local is there, right? So you can, if not display it at top, you can scroll it up and down, right? So click on save to local. So it was saved as a local file. Then click on back. Next like this you can rename this page also, or add some more documents like this, and then click on OK, and then you can rename the document of this one, rename. Next mathematical induction, assignment 2, mathematical induction assignment 2, click on OK. Next click on PDF, share. Next save to local, clear. So click on home button. Next open your Google Classroom app, and here we are submitting the assignments of P1 SEM1, right? So you can search from here P1 S1, right here, P1 Maths Naveen, click on it. Next classwork, so you can post the documents from. Next click on classwork. Here you can submit all the assignments, online quiz 8 assignment, online quiz 7, and online quiz 6, like this. So all the assignments are there here. You can submit all the assignments. See, matrices assignment 1 and mathematical assignment 2, functions assignment 3, trigonometric ABC, trigonometry assignment, that is ABC exercises. Next DEF exercise, like this. So while you click on matrices assignment, the page is like this. Click on add work, that is bottom of the screen. Next you can upload the file here, fourth one, that is upload file, click on it. You can select the document, that is wherever you have to save it. click on documents, cam scanner here. See, click on 3 lines, that is a left bottom left top of your screen. Click on your mobile, that is Redmi Note 9 Pro, and click on cam scanner wherever it may be, cam scanner here. Click on PDF. So all PDF files will show here. In that, select your assignment, that is matrices assignment and mathematical assignments are there. So we are submitting matrices assignment, you can click on it, matrices assignment, and select. So it will take some time to upload the page, entire PDF file. So finally it will look like this, and click on hand in button. Click on hand in. So your first assignment is submitted. Like this you can submit all the assignments, go back, and you can submit all the assignments whatever it may be pending in your page. So if that one is in pink color, that is pending. If that is in dark black color, that is submitted, right?